Hello everyone, sorry I'm a little bit late. I just had the weirdest 5 minutes of my entire life. So, I sat down, I woke up early. I've been trying to wake up a little bit earlier these days. But I had another sleepless night for various reasons. But I woke up pretty decently early today. I woke up at like 8:30. And I was sitting at my computer, I had everything ready. And then, guys, I swear to God, I'm not even kidding. I heard a siren. Not like a wee 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 siren. I heard like a siren with a Y. I might be hallucinating. I swear, I was setting up my stream and then in the distance, it wasn't like really loud. It was like in the distance, I heard like a I was like, what? And then I opened my curtain to see what was going on, if I was literally hallucinating. And at that exact moment, my audio died. Like my GoXLR died, everything died. My PC froze. I had to restart. Bruh, you have to consider. You think I'm haunted? Hey, sirens are cool though. Do you think they can give me some tips on singing?